The Untold Story, African Women, Slavery in Russia, and Trump's Global Warning. Did you know slavery still exists today? African women face unimaginable hardships as forced laborers assembling drones in Russia. These hidden stories reveal a harsh reality. Modern slavery thrives in the shadows, while the world remains largely unaware. Meanwhile, Trump's bold address targets nations, including BRICS leaders like Russia and South Africa. His "Go Find Another Sucker Nation" statement challenges economic dependencies, sparking controversy. But amidst political games, the plight of African women in Russia remains unspoken, a human tragedy overshadowed by global politics. These intersecting issues raise critical questions about global responsibility. Can world leaders prioritize human rights and tackle exploitation, or will political divides leave oppressed women trapped in silence? In an era of international diplomacy, these voices must be heard. Modern slavery should never go unnoticed. Share these stories, advocate for change, and hold nations accountable. Awareness begins with you. Let's work together to amplify these voices, fight exploitation, and demand justice worldwide. Join the conversation now.